Sound off!
Sir, I'm the letter L. I am a consonant. I make the O sound. O, as in lion. O-ion, lion. O, as in lamb. O-am, lamb. O, as in lizard. O-izzard, lizard.
You could go on forever, couldn't you, L? You're a pretty ordinary letter, without any quirks.
Well, I wouldn't say that, sir. I'm not without my inconsistencies when I'm not the first letter in a word.
Very interesting, letter L. Tell me more.
I'm actually silent in some words when I'm followed by another consonant, as in walk. It's spelled W-A-L-K, but it's pronounced walk. The same goes for talk and chalk.
Right on, letter L. And don't forget
Could, should,
would.
then there's calm, balm, palm.
Almond, salmon, calf, half, salve,
Colonel.
colonel, where? Attention!
No, sir. I didn't mean there was a colonel in the area. I was just going to say that colonel is where I, oddly enough, make the R sound. C-O-L-O-N-E-L is pronounced colonel.
Well, I think you did it just to get me flustered. I don't like being flustered, letter L. Line up.